This is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage Wi-Fi connection on Android. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! When was the last time you checked to see how many Wi-Fi networks are saved on your phone? If you're anything like me, then the answer could be never. While having a long list of saved Wi-Fi networks isn't necessarily a bad thing, there may be some connection that you're never going to use anymore and others that you'd rather chip on not connect automatically to. So how to manage your saved Wi-Fi networks on your phones? So simple, you can just open your setting on your phone. Now you can just go to Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi. You can enable it for the Wi-Fi. Tap on additional settings. There is an option manage saved networks. You can just tap on that. So here's all the saved networks on your Android phone. And if you want to delete, you can just like this one, maybe you can just tap on delete. There is an option forget network. You can just tap on that, so that network will be removed from your phone, from the saved networks. It's so simple, right? So that is how to manage saved networks on your Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!